Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can properly close completed work items and issues on Jira. So let us dive right into it. So what you want to do, guys, is access the project you would like to edit and customize inside your Jira site. So let me go with, let's say, this project here, this team project. So you will see a list of your ongoing work items and issues divided into various categories and statuses like to do in progress, in review, done, and so on and so forth, depending on how many columns you have added to your project. You can add more of them here to the right hand side by clicking into this plus button here. So the best way, guys, at least in my opinion, to properly close an ongoing task or work item or issue is to move it to the done status or column. And there are two ways how you can do that, guys. The first option would be intuitively to simply left click into the given work item and to move it to the given column and release your mouse there. And there you go. As you can see, the checkmark icon has been added, indicating that the given task has been done. So let me move it back to the to-do column. So option number two, guys, would be to access the customization or editing of the given work item. And here you can change the status again from to do to done by clicking into that status column or drop down menu here and switch to your preferred status, which in this case here would be done. And there you go. If I close that window, you will see that the task or work item has been again moved to that done column here. So now, guys, if you're 100% sure that the given task is 100% complete and you won't be working on it anymore, simply you may delete it, of course, by clicking into these three dots here and by selecting delete, and after that type in delete here and confirm the deletion here to get rid of that task or work item once and for all, once it has been closed. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we catch you later.